Now, I get this question a lot. What is the difference between an appraisal and a home inspection? And if you're planning to buy a home, an appraisal is an important step in the process. It's a professional evaluation of the market value of the home that you're going to buy. So in most cases, an appraisal is ordered by the lender to confirm or verify the value of the home prior to lending a buyer money for the purchase. Now, it's also a different step in the process from a home inspection, which assesses the condition of the home before you finalize the transaction. Now, here's the breakdown of each one and why they're both important when buying a home. When you apply for a mortgage, an unbiased appraisal, which is required by the lender, is the best way to confirm the value of the home based on the sale price. Now, regardless of what you're willing to pay for a house, if you'll be using a mortgage to fund your purchase, the appraisal will help make sure the bank doesn't loan you more than what the home is worth. This is especially critical in today's seller's market, where low inventory is driving an increase in bidding wars, which could push home prices upward. Now, when sellers are in a strong position like this, they tend to believe that they can set whatever price they want for their house under the assumption that competing buyers will be willing to pay more. However, the lender will only allow the buyer to borrow based on the value of the home. This is what helps keep home prices in check. If there's ever any confusion or any discrepancy of the sale price, your agent will be able to help you navigate any additional negotiations in the buying process. And when it comes to home inspections, here's the key difference between the two. A home appraisal determines the value of a home, while a home inspection is going to determine the condition of a home. The home inspection is a way to determine the current state, the current safety, and the condition of the home before you finalize the sale. If anything questionable in the inspection process comes up, like the state of the HVAC or the roof condition, or just about anything else, you as a buyer have the option to discuss and negotiate any potential issues or repairs with the seller before the transaction is final. The appraisal and the inspection are critical steps when buying a home, and you don't need to manage them by yourself. If you need help in the process and for someone to stand by you every step of the way, you can always head over to planwithmike.ca, select a time and a date that works for you, and let's have a chat.